In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can record yourself in slow motion on TikTok. You can simply record slow motion videos on TikTok in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your TikTok. Select on the plus icon and choose your video duration. Before recording, tap right here on the video speed icon and select the last option of 0.3. Then after you can tap right here to add any sound of your own choice. And then go ahead and tap on the record button to get started. That's how easy it is to record TikTok videos in slow motion. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.